Hindi requirement yung pagmenegosyo para yumaman. Gusto niya example? Si Michael Jordan, mayaman hindi. Siya may-ari ng Chicago Bulls hindi. Yes or no? No. So it's not required that you are the holder for you to get rich. What is required? To be the best. That's what's required. So kung papasok ka ng negosyo dahil sa pera, rethink your choices. Pwede kang yumaman kahit hindi ka magnegosyo. And counterintuitive yung sinasabi ko kasi negosyante ako. Pero hindi required. Kapag pagaling ka, reliable, dependable, at ikaw ang pinakamagaling, guaranteed yung owner i-invite ka para maging co-owner. You know how to get rich? Honestly, simple lang. Be so good with what you do. If you are so good with what you do, isa lang ang requirement ko. Find that one thing again that gives you the spark, that gives you that passion, that makes you not think about working. So that you don't feel like you're working at all, you just feel like you're playing. Nagigets nyo? Bakit ganon? Ask me why. Para hindi mo bibilangin yung oras. Sino yung taga-trabaho? Thank you, mas masarap pa buhay nyo. Kasi para sa trabaho ka, pasok mo na 7, tapos ka alas 6, tapos na yun. 15, trend pa, may sahod ka, tama? O, gusto mo magnegosyo? Wala nang 9 to 6. Pag mula pagising hanggang pagtulog, may trabaho pa. Eto pa, pagdating ng 15, hindi ka pa sure kung may kita ka. I'm not discouraging you to be in business. I'm just saying, if you wanna be in business, make sure you love doing business. If you wanna get the benefits of business, be willing to pay the price for doing business. Now, if you're not willing to pay the price of doing business, then don't expect to get the perks and the rewards of being in business.